how to know the best smartphone that is below $500 in 2025. Welcome back to my channel. This is AB Tech. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment if you're about to get a new phone. Now, there are some things you need to know about smartphones before you go ahead and make that your next purchase. The first thing you need to look out for is the performance. Every smartphone that is below $500 as of 2025 must come with Snapdragon 7 or 8 at least, or the MediaTek Dimensity that Samsung usually use. That is on the performance side. And for the RAM, it must have at least 6 GB to 8 GB of RAM for multitasking. If you don't have this in that device, please don't go for it. Then for the storage must come with at least 128 GB of storage. The second thing you also need to look out for is the display. At least it must come with AMOLED display, preferably AMOLED display or the OLED screen display. But if it is LCD, it's not going to be good for color and everything you want to use your mobile phone to do. And it must come with 90 or 120 Hz and above refresh rate for smooth scrolling. And another thing you also need to look out for is the battery quality. The battery must have at least 500 milliamp hour of battery. If it doesn't have it, and with at least 30 watt fast charging, if it doesn't have it in 2025, then why are you getting this phone for? Then it must also have the USB type C. It's very essential. If your phone doesn't have it, say why are you buying it? Now for the camera must be at least dual or triple camera setup, and the main sensor must come with at least 50 megapixel. For the software and updates, this phone must come with clean Android software with at least 2 years of operating system update is a good benchmark. You must go for this type of softwares. And again, it must also come with 5G support. No one is talking about 4G anymore, 3 or whatever. It must come with 5G and above support. And the IP rating must be at least 60 and above dust and water resistance. So the phone must have all these things that I have mentioned. If it doesn't have it, please don't just waste your money. Now I'm going to give some recommendation on some nice devices out there that fit into this category. The first one is Google Pixel 7a. It's a very nice device. It's a mid-range device that is very okay. And another device you are also going to get that also fits into this category is the Motorola G84. Okay, it comes with 5000 milliamp hours of battery and the Snapdragon is also high. Another device I will also recommend is the Nothing Phone 1 and Nothing Phone 2a. These devices are good. We also have the OnePlus Nord 3. The OnePlus Nord 3 is an elite device. And the Poco F5 is also a wonderful phone that a lot of people out there don't know about. And finally, the Samsung Galaxy A54. So these are the list of phone I think and I know that fits into this category and you're going to enjoy your device. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment and hit that subscribe button. See you in my next video. Peace out.